Hello, welcome to the workshop vlog, episode 6 or 7, I'm not sure. Let's have a look at what I've changed in the workshop. I've been working for about 3 or 4 hours across 2 days, hence why there was no video last night, because I was working last night, doing a new workbench. So, I'll show you. I was going to film it, but I just wanted to get it done, so I ended up not filming it. But don't worry, there'll be tons more workbenches to come. So let's have a look. So here's the new workbench. We've got the belt sander on it and the bench grinder. And here it is. It's made of MDF and CLS timber. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Unfortunately, I didn't have quite enough wood to add a second shelf. There's the piece of MDF that will get used to make the second shelf. I just need to get some more CLS timber at some stage. But for now, I'm happy with it. That reminds me, that Mother's Day box needs to engrave 2020 onto it. As you can see, I've got a fair few things to do. This is just going to be a general area at the moment, just for collecting basically all the stuff. I've got some leftover bits of CLS timber here, and on the underneath I've got all the Woodturners blend items, hoover and resin organiser. Over here we've got the normal stuff, so nothing particularly has changed drastically. I mean, the old workbench is gone. I don't even know, oh, it's there, that's the old piece of workbench sitting there. I couldn't work out where it was. And there's some of the parts here and a bit here as well. So I've also gone and bought a load of new items as well, so I'll show you what I bought. It's more small things and some wood, because I've got to build a bird table. There will be a video on that. So let's have a look. So to start with, I bought tons of treated timber, which I'm going to be using to make a bird table with. Hopefully that video will be out in around a month. I'm going to give myself 2 weeks to build it, a week to edit it, and then a week to finalise any thumbnails, titles, things like that. So yeah, should be out next month, maybe halfway through July, end of July. It might be less than a month, we'll see what happens. In terms of the new things I've bought, most of it's just consumables. Let's have a look at all the new things I bought. So we'll start with super glue. Needed some more, so I got it. Sanding sheets. These are a bit bigger than my normal sanding sheets, but I prefer them slightly oversized. Some gloves for helping me get the faceplate off the lathe, along with a hammer sometimes. If it really won't budge, I tend to use gloves. So my other ones had broken apart completely and they're just beyond use now, so I decided to get some new ones. Exciting new purchase, another saw. This is a fine cut wood saw, so it's a fairly nice saw actually. It's a 450mm hand saw. I've already got two. I've got a 300 and a 500 up here, but I wanted another two as well because I'm going to be doing a lot of sawing. And then I got this rough cut saw as well, so this is a 18-inch or 450mm 7 tooth per inch coarse saw. It did come with a guard as well, although the guard was a bit ripped and battered, so I just got rid of it and wrote on there what it was, although it actually says it already. I also bought some new Gorilla Glue. Unfortunately I couldn't buy a litre, so I had to buy two 236, I think it is, yeah, 236ml bottles, which isn't ideal because they're like £11 and this bottle's £8, so you really do get ripped off buying the small bottles. But given how much I'm using, I don't really have a choice at the moment. I just had to get what I can. Although I'm going to order another big bottle on Amazon. I just try to get what I need when I see it. So they're not too bad. They're a bit expensive, but nice little bottles anyway. I'll keep hold of these because I can just decant some of this into there, which will make stuff easier. So I'll have one of these, which I keep on this new workbench, one on this workbench, and one over by the drill press. So yeah, that's all the sort of boring things. I mean, these are cool. I love the handle colours as well. I like saws that have got a bit of interesting character to them. So this one's got a blue handle, got an orange handled one, got the tendon saw, loads of different colours. Nice to keep it interesting. And I put up a new hook over there to hang these on. So I'm hoping you're looking forward to seeing some new projects anyway. Let's also have a look at what else I got. Let's have a look at what I've bought. So, this is the cool thing. A polo shirt with design and make on it. So, I'm trying to hold this straight so you can see it. Tell you what, let me just put it over this top so you can see it. So this is a new top for the workshop. So, I'll be wearing this in the workshop vlogs. So if I stand up you might be able to see it. There you go, design and make custom embroidery. Yeah, this is a sticker to tell you how to wash it. Probably won't be able to guess what these are. A big bundle of paper. It's my packaging from Woodturners blend. So there'll be a Euro hook here, so a sticky hook thing that you can put on shelves. There we go. So that will have a bag in it with the product in. So I've got 250 of those. stickers. I haven't opened these yet. Probably in the next video we'll need to christen the lathe with a sticker, or one of the tools. I might do it on the belt sander, maybe. I don't know. We'll have a think. But I've got 30 of those. I might give out one in the giveaway as well. These are really cool. So hopefully this appears the right way around for you, because it doesn't for me. So this is a canvas print of Woodturners blend. So there's the logo. Then, now this one's really cool. Design and make custom canvas print. I have no idea where these are going to go. I have no room for them, but it could go somewhere like up there. There we go. So I'm trying to work out where we can stick one that's not on a tool. In terms of bowl blanks, got Zebrano here, cherry, poplar, elm. We're going to be doing a 7-layer bowl next week as well. I might even go to 10, although that's pushing it on my lathe. 2 bowls I turned 2 days ago. I turned a little sort of Shushugibon, oak and ash pot bowl thing. It's a combination thing, which has got some lavender in it. I'll show you a couple of photos of that. And then I also did a sapili bowl. I'm going to be doing a chopping board today, and I'm trying to decide. I think we're going to turn maybe a cherry bowl today, or no, we're going to do the elm bowl. So yeah, elm bowl and walnut chopping board using my new jigsaw. So yeah, that should be great fun. Can't wait to get all these things installed. I might have one of these on the wall when I've actually got a packaged up one. I'll hang it up on the wall because it's got the Euro hook, so I'll just do 2 screws so I can hang it up so you guys can see what it looks like in the back of videos. I have to say, I'm really impressed with Vistaprint. They've done some really, really nice smooth finishes on these. Really excellent products from them. As you can see, new workbench has been the main focus for the past few days. If I step out of the frame, hopefully you can see. Got the bench going here and the sander here. I think this looks really great, and it's nice to have another workbench. Definitely don't really have room for another workbench in here, but given my new workshop's been put on hold for a bit, I thought I would just build one to keep me occupied, and this will come to the new workshop as well because it's a very sturdy workbench. I have screwed it to the wall, which I do with all my workbenches. I'll show you how I screwed this one. So this one's actually been spaced off the wall with a couple of bits of scrap CLS. So if I come down, hopefully you can see it's just spaced off the wall, because with this one I just used these metal brackets, although I couldn't with this one because it's more like that, the workbench, the legs taper out slightly. It was easier to do it like this. And yeah, before I move to the new workshop there will be a last final tour, because so many of you have asked for a tour, so I will do that. I need to take all this stuff inside now, but yeah, and in the next workshop vlog you'll see me wearing that. So there was one last thing I forgot to say. I've got this big sheet of OSB. It's 9mm thick, and it's, how big is it? 405mm by 810mm. This is my new sticker wall. Never had a sticker wall. Thought, why not? Every woodworker seems to have one. So, first sticker will be a design and make one. I just need to decide where to put this, because currently I don't have any room for it. So I suspect what will happen is we'll just put the stickers on and it won't get hung up until the new workshop. But I think we should put the first sticker on now, so I'll do that with you guys. Let's stick the first sticker here. Make sure it's nicely pressed down. I'm sure some people will hate me for not sanding this, but oh well. So I did find the Sorry Timber sticker. It was upstairs. There we go. It's the sticker wall. Thanks for watching.